Hello everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andika Ilyasa Putra Narendra from the KGSP, Department of Sanitation and Maintenance Building Construction at SMK Negeri 7 Semarang. Here, I will share my experience while carrying out an internship program or field work practice, or Indonesian called PKL. Previously, I will explain what is meant by an internship. Internships are educational, training, and learning activity carried out in the business or industrial world that are relevant to the competence of students in their respective field. I did an internship with my three friends named Nurul, Safira, and Yusuf. This group of apprentices is freely chosen without being determined by the teacher. Building engineering will certainly get an internship in building construction site. It can be in the form of government-owned building or belonging to certain group. At the time, I got an internship at the Johar Market Rehabilitation Project, south of Semarang. This project is located on Agus Salim Street, Central Semarang District, Semarang City. Our group received information that this project accept intern from our supervising teacher, Miss Tribudi. The Johar Market Rehabilitation Project cover a distance of 10 km from my house. This project was carried out by the Sinar Cerah Sempurna contractor, who has an office address in Jatingaleh, Semarang. Okay, next, my internship experience started from May 2021. Our group was required to do an internship there for 6 months. On the first day, we are asked to meet with Mr. Ronnie as the site manager of the project to explain the part of the work that will be carried out later. After meeting and talking, we were directed to go around first to observe the work being carried out. With the atmosphere of the fasting month, we walked around and observed the progress of the work which was currently under construction on the 2nd floor of the main building. Later, my internship group was handed over to the project surveyor to help with the survey and monitoring work. Mr. Ahmad Ridho is the name. The person who became our mentor during our 6-month internship. He is friendly, kind, and like to joke. Mr. Ridho is also a graduate from Steba, who took his knowledge during his internship, especially for soil surveying. From the one, we worked every day to help with the survey work with Mr. Ridho. Sometimes we do work together, but sometimes we also divide into two groups, carrying out architectural marking work for seller trading place in the market. Later in the work we do most often. Then I was also often ordered to work on marking reference measurement using a spirit level tool. Over time, our group of interns took part in the construction of this Johar market. From the concrete structure work on the 3rd and 4th floor. Then the rehabilitation of the old building, construction of groundwater tank, powerhouse, and also sanitation. During my internship, I also got to know the worker here. Always trusted to help with the tasks they were doing. There, my friend and I also met new acquaintances from students who were also interns there. We became close friends during the project. Internship for 6 months is no fault. Time flies so fast that our group internship is almost finished along with the project which also has 2 months remaining. We get a lot of knowledge and overview and the work of work in the future, which is an important asset for a school student. In November, the Johar Market Rehabilitation project entered the finish and frame installation stage. On November 3rd, our internship schedule was finished, but I got call from the project manager of this project to continue working on the project until this project finish at the end of January. It's a matter of pride for me because of the first student who did my internship. I was the one who was written even though it one only for the 2 months. After my friend finished his internship, I was still working as a surveyor at the project. There I was quite different from when I did an internship. I took full responsibility for carrying out the survey work because at the time Mr. Rido has been transferred for the project in Magelang. At the time, I was working on monitoring the construction of concrete roads, paving roads, communication access, stairs, and landscaping. It's an honor for me. When the project was declared complete, the inauguration of the South Johor Market was visited and inaugurated by the President of the Republic Indonesia, Mr. Joko Widodo. An experience that I will never forget at the time seeing the President of Indonesia signing the inauguration stone for the project I was working on. The conclusion that I got from this internship experience is that I can improve the knowledge I have gained at school with the knowledge that is implemented in the field, so that the result of the internship I can be useful for entering the real world of work as well as making the experience important for me and my group of friends. Here, me and my friends are also grateful to have a new friend who are very kind. Having an internship in a big project is very broad experience. So let's study together to major in building construction, sanitation, and maintenance at SMK Negeri 7 Semarang. Together we build a developed Indonesia because development is in the country will continue to grow every year. Civil engineering is very useful and graduate job opportunity later. Civil Jaya. That's the story of my internship experience that I think is very valuable. Hopefully from my experience this can increase the spirit of the younger class to be more activity in learning to reach the future. If I said something wrong, I apologize. That's the story of my internship experience. Thank you guys.